How I learned English fast. Stop scrolling. If you think learning English takes years, you're wrong. I learned English faster than I ever expected. Not because I'm special, not because I had a private teacher, but because I changed my strategy. 2 years ago, my English was stuck. I understood some words. I knew grammar rules. But when I tried to speak, my mind went blank. Then I realized something powerful. English is not a school subject. It's a skill. And skills grow with action. So I stopped waiting to be perfect. I started speaking from day one. Yes, with mistakes. Yes, with fear. But I spoke anyway. Mistakes became my teachers. Practice became my daily habit. I surrounded myself with English. I changed my phone language. I watched YouTube in English. I listened to podcasts while walking. I read simple books before sleep. Even if I understood only half, I continued. Because consistency is stronger than motivation. Motivation disappears. Discipline builds results. I practiced 20-30 minutes every single day. Not once a week. Every day. I started thinking in English. Simple thoughts. I am making coffee. The weather is cold. I can do this. Step by step, English stopped feeling foreign. It became natural. And one day I noticed something incredible. I wasn't translating anymore. I was speaking. Fast learning is not about talent. It's about courage. Courage to start. Courage to sound imperfect. Courage to continue when it feels uncomfortable. If I did it, you can do it too. But nothing will change if you just watch. So here's your moment. Subscribe right now if you're serious about speaking fluent English. Like this video to tell yourself, I'm ready. Comment, I start today, and make it real. Your fluent version already exists. It's time to meet her.